Test, test. Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Out Electronic channel. This is Misha. Today we have another product I bought recently because I need to upgrade my main SSD from 256 to 1 terabyte. I decided to get this time M2 NVMe drive, and my board supports PCI Express 4.0. So this was on sale, inexpensive on Amazon. If you wanna get one, I'll provide the link. I think that could be good because it says it can write at 6 megabytes per second. This is really awesome. Alright, let's see what we have. Not much really going on here. Kingston SSD, very simple packaging. Let's try it open. Okay, oh geez, how to open this guy? Yeah, I don't really like these packages because they quite destructive. Okay, here we are. Here is the yep, it's really nothing here. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna plop it in the computer and run some benchmarks. We're gonna see how good is this guy. Alright my friends, so I've run some benchmarks with this Kingston solid state drive NVMe3 PCI Express 4, and here are our results. I didn't run any extensive super tests, but I ran Crystal and Blackmagic hard drive or SSD test, and the results are pretty good actually. I think this this Kingston solid state drive is pretty decent for its money. I hope it's going to be also reliable or and going to last for a while, but speed wise it's pretty good. So I already installed it in the computer, so hence I have on a piece of paper and I'm showing you, but I think I would recommend this guy, especially if you get this one on sale. Alright guys, if you want to see more reviews like that, please subscribe to my channel to help channel grow. If you want to see more repair videos, definitely I'm gonna get this covered. So please stay tuned, stay safe, and ciao.